Varicose veins treatment. 15 natural cures for varicose veins. Are you bothered by the bulging, twisted veins on your legs? These are varicose veins, and they can sometimes cause discomfort and affect your confidence. Before we explore 15 natural varicose veins treatment options, please remember this video offers general information and should not replace medical advice. If your varicose veins are painful, swollen, or causing significant issues, please consult a healthcare professional. Resources supporting these natural approaches to varicose veins treatment can be found in the description below. Welcome to our daily health. Let's quickly understand what varicose veins are. They are enlarged, twisted veins that often appear on the legs and feet. While not always a serious health concern, many seek varicose veins treatment for cosmetic reasons or to alleviate symptoms. Thankfully, several natural varicose veins home treatment methods and natural cures for varicose veins may help improve their appearance and ease discomfort, contributing to better leg health. Here are 15 natural varicose veins treatment you can try at home for improved leg health. Number 1. Compression stockings. Compression stockings are a primary varicose veins home treatment. They apply pressure to your legs, helping to improve blood flow and reduce swelling associated with varicose veins. This external pressure supports the veins and can alleviate discomfort, contributing to better leg health. Wear compression stockings throughout the day for optimal varicose veins treatment and relief. Choose medical-grade stockings with appropriate compression levels for the best results. Number 2. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity is a key component of varicose veins treatment and overall leg health. Exercise improves circulation, which helps to move blood through the veins more efficiently and can reduce the pooling that leads to varicose veins. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and cycling are particularly beneficial as part of your varicose veins home treatment. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to support healthy veins. Number 3. Elevating your legs. Elevating your legs is a simple yet effective varicose veins home treatment. When you raise your legs above the level of your heart, gravity helps to improve blood flow back to the heart, reducing pressure in the leg veins and alleviating swelling associated with varicose veins. Aim to elevate your legs for 15 to 20 minutes several times a day as a natural varicose veins treatment. Try propping your legs up on pillows while lying down or using a footrest when sitting. Thinking of trying any of these varicose veins treatment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video provided value for you, please show your support with a like and subscribe for more natural health content. Don't forget to share it with anyone who might be interested. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a traditional natural cure for varicose veins. Some believe that applying it topically or consuming it may improve circulation and reduce the appearance of varicose veins. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water, equal parts, and gently massage it onto the affected areas as a varicose veins home treatment. You can also try drinking a diluted tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water once or twice daily, but consult your doctor first. Some studies suggest topical application may alleviate symptoms. Number 5. Horse chestnut. Horse chestnut contains compounds that may help to improve blood vessel tone and reduce inflammation associated with varicose veins, contributing to better leg health. Topical creams containing horse chestnut extract are available as a natural cure for varicose veins, but follow dosage instructions carefully and consult your doctor. The seeds themselves are toxic if ingested raw. Look for creams standardized for eschine content for potential benefits. Number 6. Butcher's broom. Butcher's broom may help to improve blood circulation and reduce swelling in the legs affected by varicose veins, promoting leg health. You can find butcher's broom in topical creams as a natural cure for varicose veins, but always follow recommended dosages. The root has been traditionally used. This herb may help strengthen vein walls and reduce inflammation. Number 7. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a natural astringent that may help to tighten blood vessels and reduce inflammation associated with varicose veins. It can be used as a topical varicose veins home treatment. Apply witch hazel directly to the skin over varicose veins using a cotton ball several times a day for potential relief, and as a natural cure for varicose veins. Its tannins are thought to be responsible for its astringent properties. Number 8. Essential oils. Certain essential oils like cypress, helichrysum, and Roman chamomile are believed to improve circulation and reduce inflammation, making them potential natural cures for varicose veins and part of a varicose veins treatment regimen. Dilute essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil, and gently massage them onto the varicose veins. Always perform a patch test first. Some believe these oils can strengthen blood vessels and improve lymphatic drainage. Number 9. Dietary changes. Diet plays a role in leg health and can support varicose veins home treatment. A diet rich in fiber, flavonoids, found in fruits and vegetables, and antioxidants may help to strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation, potentially acting as a natural cure for varicose veins when combined with other methods. Focus on colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Number 10. Maintaining a healthy weight. Excess weight puts extra pressure on your veins, increasing the risk of varicose veins and exacerbating existing ones. Maintaining a healthy weight is an important aspect of varicose veins treatment and overall leg health. Losing weight can reduce pressure on the veins and potentially improve the condition. Even a modest weight loss can make a difference. Number 11. Avoiding prolonged standing or sitting. Prolonged periods of standing or sitting can hinder blood circulation in the legs, contributing to the development or worsening of varicose veins. Making regular movement breaks is a simple varicose veins home treatment. If your job requires long periods of standing or sitting, try to move around or flex your legs frequently to improve blood flow and support leg health. Aim to change your position every 30 minutes. Number 12. Wearing flat shoes. High heels can restrict blood flow in the legs and may contribute to the development or worsening of varicose veins by limiting the natural pumping action of the calf muscles that help circulate blood back to the heart. Opting for flat, comfortable shoes can improve circulation and support varicose veins treatment and overall leg health. Flat shoes allow your calf muscles to work more effectively as you walk, aiding blood flow and reducing pressure on the veins. This enhanced calf muscle pump action is crucial for healthy venous return from the legs. Number 13. Gentle massage. Gentle massage can help to improve circulation and reduce swelling associated with varicose veins. The key here is gentle. Avoid any deep or vigorous pressure directly on the enlarged veins, as this could potentially damage fragile tissues or even dislodge a blood clot if one is present. Instead, use light upward strokes towards the heart as part of your varicose veins home treatment. This technique assists the flow of blood back towards the heart, counteracting the pooling that contributes to varicose veins. Think of it as gently encouraging the stagnant blood and fluids in the legs to move along their natural path. For optimal effect, consider using a light moisturizer or carrier oil, like almond or coconut oil, to help your hands glide smoothly over the skin, further promoting relaxation and improved circulation in the surrounding tissues, which indirectly benefits the varicose veins. Number 14. Rutin-rich foods. Rutin is a bioflavonoid found in certain plants like buckwheat, apples, and citrus fruits. Consuming these foods may help to strengthen blood vessel walls and reduce inflammation, potentially acting as a natural cure for varicose veins and supporting varicose veins treatment. Incorporate these foods into your daily diet. Buckwheat tea is another good source of rutin. Number 15. Gotu kola, topical. Gotu kola is an herb traditionally used to improve circulation and support vein health, making it a potential natural cure for varicose veins and part of a varicose veins treatment plan when used topically. Creams or ointments containing Gotu kola extract may help strengthen connective tissue in blood vessel walls when applied to the affected areas. Look for products with a standardized concentration of active compounds.